Hello everyone. I am Dr. T.M. Invamalar, working as professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, RMK College of Engineering and Technology. Today in this video we are going to see about safety regulations, and under that I am going to tell you about safety education and training. Education and training provides employers, managers, supervisors and workers with knowledge and skills needed to do their work safely and avoid creating hazards that could place themselves or others at risk. Awareness and understanding of workplace hazards and how to identify, report and control them. Specialized training when their work involves unique hazards. Now, let us classify the safety education and training under 4 items. The first action item is to provide program awareness training. The second action item is to train employers, managers and supervisors on their roles in the program. The third action item is to train workers on their specific roles in the safety and health program. And the last, that is the fourth action item, is to train workers on hazard identification and controls. Now, let us see the Factories Act 1948. The objective of protecting workers employed in factories against industrial and occupational hazards is the concern of this act. It seeks to impose upon the owner or the occupier to protect the workers, to secure for them employment in conditions conducive to their health and safety. This act deals about passing as a memorial to the victims of Bhopal, provides better safeguards in the use and handling of hazardous substance, management for greater safety measures. Now, let us see the features of Factories Act 1987. Portable electric light in the factories. Regarding safety officers, 1,000 or more workers, risk of bodily injury, poisoning, disease, health hazard. Safety and Occupational Health Service. So for this, Chief Inspector, Director General of Factory Advice Service or Labour Institutes DGHS is involved. Protection for contract labour and other category of labour. Crush facility, that is more than 30 women workers instead of 50. Discharge or dismissal or superannuation or death in service, wages in lieu of the quantum of leave due. Penalty, rates modified and revised. The objective of the Act is to protect human beings from being subject to unduly long hours of bodily strain or manual labor, to provide that employees should work in healthy and sanitary conditions. Scope and applicability of the law is to extend to whole of India, applies to all factories including factories belonging to central or any state government unless excluded. The benefits available to persons who are employed in the factory. Regarding the safety regulations, a company's safety policy is translated into everyday action and behavior by rules and regulations. Employers must have rules that ensure a safe and healthy workplace. Employers must ensure that all employees are knowledgeable about the rules. Employers must ensure that safety rules are enforced objectively and consistently. Let us see the guidelines for safety rules. Minimize the number of rules to the extent possible. Too many rules can result in rule overload. Write rules in clear and simple language. Be brief and to the point, avoiding ambiguous or overly technical language. Write only the rules that are necessary to ensure a safe and healthy workplace. Do not nitpick. Involve employees in the development of rules that apply to their specific areas of operation. Develop only rules that can and will be enforced. Use common sense in developing rules. Let us consider product safety. It is the term used to describe policies designed to protect people from risk associated with thousands of consumer products they buy and use every day. To develop safety standards, enforce compliance, and to ban unsafe products under certain circumstances. Fastest growing areas of the law is product liability. If we see about the product safety program, it is to limit a company's exposure to product liability litigation and related problems. To develop and maintain a comprehensive product safety program. The program should have the three functional components, namely Product Safety Coordinator, Product Safety Committee, and Product Safety Auditor. Let us see one by one in detail. First, let us consider Product Safety Coordinator. Product Safety Coordinator assists in setting product safety program policy, recommend product recalls, field modifications, product redesign, and special analysis. Conduct complaint, incident or accident analysis, coordinate all program documents, facilitate communication among all parties involved in the program, develop a base of product safety and liability information for use by all parties involved in the program, establish and maintain relationships with agencies and organizations that have missions relating to product safety and liability. Conduct product safety program audits. The Product Safety Committee do effective product safety management. Actually, it is the responsibility of all departments. Product Safety Committee is formed with a representative from all major departments. This approach gives the Product Safety Coordinator a broad base of expertise to call upon and encourages broad-based support among all departments. Now let us come to the Product Safety Auditor. Auditing is an important component of the product safety program. Special duties of the Product Safety Auditor include identify evidence of a lack of commitment on management's part, observe the action taken when a product deficiency is identified, bring deficiencies to the attention of management and make corresponding recommendations, review documentation of actions taken to correct product deficiencies. Now let us see about evaluating the product safety program. The list of more common causes of product liability exposure are insufficient research during product development, faulty product design, insufficient testing of product prototypes, faulty manufacturing, insufficient quality control, poorly written instructions, insufficient or unclear warnings, and unethical representation of the product. How to prepare to evaluate the program? The following preparatory activities can improve the quality of the audit. Let us see it one by one. Meet with top management officials and review the purpose of the audit. Work with all managers involved to coordinate schedules so that audit activities occur at mutually acceptable times. Let managers know how the audit will affect their organizations and what will be expected of them. Review all documentation relating to the product safety program. Review product-related literature. Review copies of all warning labels and other printed precautionary material relating to the product. Now, conducting the evaluation. This is actually a matter of going to all pertinent departments, looking for evidence of the types of factors set forth. The department should be audited like engineering design, manufacturing or production, marketing and sales, service, purchasing. Now let us see the role of the safety and health professional. Evaluate and offer comments on the company's product safety program. Evaluate product safety related training programs developed as a part of the product safety program. Assist in conducting product related accident investigations. provide product safety surveillance in production areas, consult to the product safety program coordinator and the auditor. Now let us move to quality management and product safety. A quality product is one that meets or exceeds customer standards and expectations. An approach to management with a large number of proponents is quality management. With quality management, every employee is responsible for quality and its continual improvement. Every employee is empowered to make decisions or recommendations to improve quality continually. Now let us describe the major elements of quality management. This requires a secure work environment, requires leadership at all levels, defines quality in terms of customer standards and expectations, focuses on the continual improvement of products and processes, requires long-term commitment of both management and employees, uses the teamwork approach in producing products, emphasizes continual training, requires total employee involvement. Now let us move to key strategies of teamwork. Involvement of all personnel who must implement decisions in making those decisions. Empowerment of all personnel to take necessary action. Communication must be a two-way activity. Reinforcement of teamwork-oriented behavior and product and process improvements. Respect for the dignity and worth of all team members regardless of status. How to record keep product safety program. Consumer Product Safety Act, that is PL 92/573, Federal Hazardous Substances Act 15 U.S.C. 1261, Federal Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act 21 U.S.C. 321, Poison Prevention Packaging Act PL 91/601, Occupational Safety and Health Act PL 91/596, Child Protection and Toy Act PL 91/113, Magnus Mohs Warranty Federal Trade Commission Improvement Act PL 93/677. Let us see product safety records. Comprehensive, up-to-date records are evidence of a company's commitment. Records document the amount of care required to produce, market and distribute. Records allow company officials to track products. Records give company officials a database of information needed. Now let us see user feedback collection and analysis. The collection and analysis of feedback from users of the company's products is critical to the success of a product safety program. User feedback can come in the form of compliments, testimonials, complaints, problems, accident reports. Feedback can help identify modifications in products design, problems with manufacturing processes, the need for a product recall, potential lawsuits. Now let us move to product literature and safety. A key component in a product safety management program is a company's product literature. Assembly instructions, warning labels, technical manuals, operating instructions. Effective product literature must have minimize and simplify narrative text, use illustrations wherever possible, eye appeal of the layout, maximize drawing power. Safety and health professionals' role. The first role of safety and health professionals relating to product recalls is to help prevent them by applying the strategies and procedures. Safety and health professionals should know the mandatory notification requirements, be prepared to advise higher management concern. Thank you.